Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you are all best. Due to the connectivity problem, somewhat late today. Yeah, students, we are at our acids and bases lesson. Now we are going to discuss about our what is the acid and what is the basis and how to recognize it. In the last class, we already taken that information. Once first we have to recall that whatever that information is there about our how to recognize our acids and as well as the bases and as well as there is our salts by using different indicators. That is, we have mainly two indicators we are used in our chemistry for the purpose of recognizing the acids and as well as the bases. One is the litmus paper, another one is what we are considered another one, phenolphthalein and as well as the methyl orange indicators. That is only we go further in our further lessons about all the informations how to we recognize our methyl orange and as well as yeah, you know very well there is what we have taken our litmus solution. It is one of the solution. From this solution only we are prepared actually one of our papers, litmus papers, and this litmus solution is came from which plant? The plant name is lichen. Yes, the plant name is what actually lichen, and here this is belongs to the biologically which family? It is belonging to the Thallophyta family. It is belonging to the Thallophyta family. This is only we already completed in our last class. Now, not only these, some flowers like what the flowers? There is yeah. Already you know very well all the students in our 7th class only we are completed about this acids and bases. Acids and bases. And in this one there is we already completed about our whatever litmus paper. How to prepare the litmus paper? We have taken a lichen plant of which is belonging to the Thallophyta and that will be dye extracted. Yes, that will form as one of the solution. Actually, the litmus solutions are for looking purpose. It looks like in a purple color, but it will be converted as what which colors? Actually, either it is available in red or otherwise it is available in a blue color. Okay, clear or not, all students? This red and as well as the blue color, whatever the solutions are there, that will be converted as a small papers, and that is only used as a litmus papers. The litmus papers are converted. The litmus papers are converted for the acid and as well as the basis. You know very well, this is the very simplest thing. Okay, now tomorrow we'll go with how to it will shows acids and bases, and when you take a litmus papers, how to we are taken as indicators. There is a when you take a litmus paper as in a red color, it is for acid how it will be convert, and as well as how it is a convert for bases, and how it is a convert for salts. How it is a convert for salt. Okay, and as well as when you take a blue litmus for acids how it behaves, and as well as how the basis it is response, and how it is a response for solid. When you take a red litmus paper, the red litmus remained like red only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Remain like red color only. For the what? For the acids, and it is a convert blue for bases. Okay, our red litmus is a convert blue for basis, and for salt there is no change. Here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Nothing but it will be contain as a red color only. Yes, this is only the indication of our acids and bases and salts for our litmus paper. And as well as when you take a blue litmus paper, yes, that is a convert. Blue litmus is a convert into which color? Yes, now it is a convert into a red color only, and it is remained as a blue color for the what? For the basis here. Okay, clear or not all? For the basis it is remained as a blue color only. Yes, here there is no response from the our blue litmus paper. I hope you are understood. There is a what is going on when there is we have to check our acids, bases, and as well as the salts. Okay, red litmus paper is converted as a red color only. Yes, it's remain as a red color only for acids. When you take a basis, it is automatically converted into blue color, and as well as when you take a salt, it is converted. Yes, not a change we are observed in our salts. Okay, and when you take a blue litmus paper, the blue litmus is converted into red color for what? For acid. Okay, now, and as well as the basis for that purpose it is converted as blue only. Yes, maybe the availability is in a purple color, not thick blue. Okay, now yes, that will be converted again into the blue in case it is in a purple nature. That litmus paper, it will be converted into blue. Okay, and as well as it will be remained as only blue for blue. Okay, now for basis. For the salt, it is not have any change. We not get any change in our litmus papers for the salts. Okay, this is only the information we already discussed in our 7th class and in our previous classes also. It's a very, very, very important to you. Yes, for this. And the next come to here. Yes, another indicators are also there. What are the indicators they are taken here? One is the methyl orange. Methyl orange. When you take a methyl orange, okay, now it is actually orange color is there. When you take acid, okay, now how the methyl orange is a convert? When you take a basis, okay, clear or not all the students? When you take a basis, how it will be converted? Okay, for salt, how it will convert? When you take acid, it is a convert into red color. Actually, it is in orange color. So methyl orange is a convert into red color. Okay, and as well as when you take a basis, it is a convert into yellow color. It is a convert into yellow color. For the salt, there is no change. For the salt, there is no change. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as one more thing is also there. That is only what actually phenolphthalein solution. Okay, clear or not all the students? Phenolphthalein solution. Okay, for the phenolphthaleins, acids are become colorless. Means what? Actually, it is phenolphthalein solution is also in a colorless only. Yes, it is remained as a colorless only. And as well as when you take a basis, it is a convert into yes pink color or otherwise it is a convert into somewhat a purple color. It is a convert into which color, Nana? It is a convert into purple or pink. Okay, colors are good for us. And as well as for salt also, there is no change. These are the main indicators we are taken for here. This very important thing. Why? Because there is a when you take a litmus paper, that litmus paper is a given like this color changes, and when you take our methyl orange, that methyl orange may given convert like this here. It's a convert into red, yellow, and no change. And when you take a phenolphthalein, it is a convert into colorless and as well as the purple or pink. Otherwise, it is a convert into no change format. Okay, and when you come to here, it is a convert into red color. Yes, for acids and litmus paper, it will be converted into blue color. In this way only the color changes are getting for methyl orange and as well as for our phenolphthalein solution and as well as for our litmus paper. Okay, yes, these are compulsory. You have to know for the yes for the recognizing the it is acid or it is a basis or otherwise it is a yes salt solutions. Clear or not all the students? This is only about the our introduction part. Yes. Yes, especially the litmus paper. What is the litmus paper? The question may ask for you. Yes, what is the litmus? How we prepare the litmus solution? It is a what? Diextracted lichen plant. It will be taken. The lichen plant is belonging to Thallophyta. It will be contained as a purple color initially. When we add the acids or bases, it is converted yes into like that. Okay, this is only about our total indicators. What is the indicators for the acids and as well as the bases? Not only these are the indicators. Yes, these are only contained. Yes, that all the whatever the indicators are there. Extra to this, some natural indicators are also there. Somewhat natural indicators are also there. What is the natural indicators? Already we have discussed in the last classes. Hibiscus, flower, petals. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as you take mango leaves and Volinder. Yes, and there is whatever other turmeric powder. These all are also works as a natural indicators of acids and as well as bases. And especially you know very well acids are contain somewhat physical properties. What is that physical property? It will be there. Acids are giving the burning sensation for us. Already one of the example we are taken. What is that example? When the ant bitten you. Okay, clear or not all of you? When yes, you bitten by ant, at that time you get the burning sensation. Why? Because the ant contain folic acid. Contain folic acid. Like that only, whatever the acid you are taking, it compulsory give the burning sensation for us. And as well as for the taste purpose, it is looks like a sour. Okay, now yes, when you take our citric fruits like lemon, orange, these all are contain citric acid inside it. Yes, that looks like somewhat sourness or not. Yeah, that is by using that taste property, we are also take this, and every time it's not possible to taste and as well as for touch that acid. That's when we are using these are the indicators. And next come to here. Yes, soap. It is looks like a basis. Okay, now that is soap is a basis. Why? Because it is contain sodium hydroxide inside it. Because of that, it is looks soapy nature. Otherwise, a smooth nature. The bases are contain somewhat a smooth nature. And here there is next we are taken another one. Yes. What is that? They contain bitter nature for taste, that is only called the basis. I hope you understood now. There is what is acid, what is the basis, how to define acid, how to define the basis. Acids are one of the chemical substances which are contained is for tasty, sour nature, and for touch, burning sensation. It is a given, and it is a convert red litmus into red only, and blue litmus into red color. Yes, whatever the litmus paper it is there, it is a convert into red color, and for that phenolphthalein and as well as methyl RN solutions purpose, it is a given red color. For phenolphthalein, it is a become colorless solution, colorless only. That is a remain. Which is a remain? Our phenolphthalein solution is a remain a colorless only. Yes, and methyl orange is a converted into red color. For the what? For the acids. This is only about acids. When you come to the basis, for the basis here we have that how we define the basis. Yeah, basis are contains. Yes, for the touch purpose, it looks like a soapy nature. It is a contain soapy nature. For that what? For the touch purpose. And as well as it is also contains taste purpose. It contains better nature. Yes. And as well as next it is a contains what actually. Yes. When we are taken a phenolphthalein solution, the solution is converted to purple color, and as well as for the basis purpose, when you take a methyl orange, it is converted into yellow color. This is only the nature we are considered for acids and as well as the bases. You know very well. There is a salts are nothing but they formed because of which one? They formed because of combination of saline and as well as combination of acids and as well as the bases. Acid plus base is gives what actually for us? Salt, and water it will be gives for us. Yes, that is only. Yes, that's why it is called neutralizing substance. Which neutralizing substance? When we made acids and bases are neutralized, that substance is called. That substance is called salt actually. I hope you understood. Yes, there is a salt is when you take a salt, the salt is not giving any changes for the litmus and as well as for the phenolphthalein as well as for the methyl orange also. Okay, clear or not? You know very well for taste it is a contain salty nature only. Clear? This is only we are taken for the salt purpose. Salt is a contains of what actually neutralizing nature. Yes. Why? Because it is neutralized. Why? Because yes, it is formed combined due to what actually it is formed combined due to due to combination of acids and as well as the bases. Because of that, it becomes neutralized. Yes, acid is combined with the bases. It is become neutralized. That neutralized substance is only called salt. It is not given any change. Yes, for the litmus papers and as well as for the methyl orange solution and as well as for the our acids, our phenolphthalein solution also. Okay, all the students, suppose you take here. Actually, there is no change yet for the litmus papers and as well as the phenolphthalein. For that purpose, we want to check one salt, it is a salt or not. It is better to take methyl orange. Why? Because our methyl orange is the respond for what? Acids and as well as the bases. Every acid is not in red color, that it is a convert into red color. And as well as when you take a basis, it is a convert into yellow color. For our salt, it is a remained unchanged. The color is unchanged. That is only called salt. Why? Because I am given this information. You know, when you take our acid, it is a remain red color only. Red litmus is the remain red color. Blue litmus is the remain for basis. blue color only. The same thing is possible for our salt also. That's why we may not recognize that salt solution by using litmus papers. Yes, but when you take here, it is okay. Clear or not, all the students? Only one litmus paper is available with you. What is the base? Blue color is available with you. Yes, it is recognized acid. There is no problem. It is recognized base. But the same color change is not possible for the base and as well as for salty. Then how to recognize the salt solution? For this purpose only, better to take which one? Methyl orange for recognizing the salt solution. Why? Because suppose you take a methyl orange, it is a convert our acid into red color, and as well as it is a convert our bases into yellow color. So it is not a convert for any for acids for any for salt. In this way, there is a conclude for yes, that is a salt solution. Which one? Methyl orange. By using the methyl orange, in case it is not a change, it's a color. It's a called yes, salt solution. May the question may ask for you. Yes, in case the red litmus paper is given for you. Yes, how to red litmus paper and as well as the methyl orange and as well as the phenolphthalein solution is given for you. Yes, how to recognize the salt solution for it. Okay, how to recognize salt solution by using it. The question may ask for you based on these indicators. Okay, and already I have explained about bases. Bases are what? Touch to smooth, and it is a content better for the taste nature, and when you take it is for a phenolphthalein solution, it is a convert either purple or pink color. For a blue litmus is remain as a blue, but red is a convert into a blue color, and when you take a methyl orange, it is a convert into yellow color. The solution of our basis is a convert into yellow color. This is only the about our basis now. Yes. And yes, this is only till now in our whatever lower class for our 7th and as well as lower classes we have studied about our acids and bases. In our 10th class, there is a physical properties are not there. Yes, just the introduction is there about our physical properties. We have chemical properties of acids and as well as the bases is only there. Chemical properties of acids and the bases. Yeah, there is a given somewhat names of acids and as well as the bases are given. What is that? HCl, hydrochloric acid, and as well as sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and as well as the nitric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, and as well as CH3COOH, that is called acetic acid. Yes, acetic acid. And there is the next given magnesium hydroxide, otherwise the potassium hydroxide is a given, magnesium hydroxide is a given, and as well as there is one more thing, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. And the next one is calcium hydroxide is a given. Calcium hydroxide is a given. These are only one more thing is also given. That is the what? Sodium hydroxide. I hope all of you understood, students. The names are very, very important. This is a called what? Hydrochloric acid. This is a called what? HCl, hydrochloric acid. And it is a called H2SO4, sulfuric acid it is. And as well as it is a called nitric acid. And as well as it is a called acetic acid. Yeah, there is a acid. We know very well these are all acids. And as well as this is a potassium hydroxide, this is a magnesium hydroxide, this is about the ammonium hydroxide. Okay, when there is a hydroxide is there, that is called actually basis. Okay, the hydroxide part it is a contain, yes, basis. But don't confuse. Suppose here OH is there, it is also contain OH. It is a basis. You don't treat it as a basis. It is a acid only. Why we written there is a OH here? Yes, why we written there is a H here, in front there is a H we written. Yes, that is we have to go to discuss further based on Arrhenius theory. Yes, our all acids are contain H plus ions. H plus ions. When it is dissolved in a water, it is a contain H plus. It is a called acid. According to Arrhenius, what is this OH information? Which contain OH minus ion when it is dissolved in a water. Yes, when it is dissolved in a water, it is a contain OH minus ion. It is a called what actually? It is a called what? It is a called a basis. That is Arrhenius theory. We will get later about Arrhenius theory in our lesson. Yes, but for our recognizing, when you see that chemical formula, it may acid, otherwise it may basis. Somewhat information is given. But don't go with misunderstanding. Yes, everywhere there is a OH is there, it is not called basis. But maximum, all our bases are contained somewhat OH, and all our acids are contained in front H. Okay, now this is only by using the chemical formula we may recognize. But every time you don't go for this only. Yes, and for this purpose only we have indicators. Yes, tomorrow I want to show somewhat for you. Not everything is not available with me, and somewhat NaOH is available. The calcium hydroxide it is prepared by us only. There is a called ammonia, NH4OH. Yes, it is called ammonia. Ammonium oxide. Actually, it is NH4. OH, it is a contain ammonia. I hope you understood that it is a contain ammonia. Got it all the students? Ammonium hydroxide, it is not available with us, and magnesium hydroxide is available, potassium hydroxide is also available. As calcium hydroxide means what? It is prepared by the lime water. It is simple thing only. It is prepared by the lime water. And it is only sodium hydroxide. It will be available in a soap solutions. It is available in a number of soap solutions. Soaps are made by the sodium hydroxide only. And here HCl regularly it is contained in our homes. Yes, HCl we are used. Okay, for the cleaning, for the toilet cleaner purpose we are using this. And H2SO4 it is a very strong acid, it may not available. HNO3, it will be stronger than H2SO4. Okay, but it is a weak acid, this is a weak acid. About this weakness, about this strongness also we have contained in our lesson. In our first page, there is a given about what actually for the recognition of these all acids and bases by using litmus paper, by using methyl orange, by using yes, phenolphthalein solution. That is only tabular format is a given. Yes, once go through the tabular format. Once go through the tabular format, here given red litmus and as well as the blue litmus and as well as the phenolphthalein solution and as well as the methyl orange also. You know very well. Okay, now first we have to go for it. When you take here. Yes, suppose you take here, simply you take here What you have to take here? First red litmus, and then next blue litmus, then next methyl orange. Okay, clear or not, all the students? You take a methyl orange. Then next you have to take is phenolphthalein. Like that you take here. If these all are what actually acids. You know very well the red litmus is remain as a red color only or not? It is a contain in a red color only. It is a contain in a actually yes, blue is a convert as also red only. For methyl orange also it is a convert red only. All the things, all the yes, acids are converted into red like that only. Okay, but when you take here phenolphthalein solution, yes, there is a what it become colorless. Means what? Whatever the color contain, HCl contain which color, that is remain as that color only. Suppose you take our sulfuric acid contain which color, that color is only contained by our acids. All the acids are contain same color. Okay, whatever the colorless solution is there, actually phenolphthalein it looks like a water color, like water only. That when you are added somewhat acids to this phenolphthalein, yes, that acid color is only contained. The color of acid is not changes. Okay, clear or not all students? Yes, and the color is not changing. This is for acid. Suppose you take in the same place, okay, somewhat a basis is here. Okay, simply when you take a basis here, yes, what the type of basis? Suppose you take a sodium hydroxide and as well as the calcium hydroxide and as well as there is a yes, ammonium hydroxide and as well as the potassium hydroxide. These are the things. Whatever the things you are take here, that will be converted. Red into what actually? Red into blue color. Red into blue. Yes, red into blue color, the convert into red into blue color. Yes, the blue is a convert into which color? It is remained as a blue only. It is remained as a blue only. When you take a methyl orange, a pink or purple, okay, depending on the yes, the strongness of our acids and bases, it may convert either pink or into purple color and for it, methyl orange purpose, it is a converted into yellow color. It is all are converted into which color? Yellow color. And when you take here a phenolphthalein solution, for the phenolphthalein solution purpose, it may convert into which color? It may convert into pink or purple color. Okay, pink or maybe purple color will be good for us. Understood not all the students? In this way only we are taken about our acids and as well as the basis purpose. Okay, this tabular format is also yes useful for us. Which one is indicate acids, which one is respond for the basis. Okay, I hope you are understood. Yes, students are very important. This table is important for the bits purpose. This table is important for your bits purpose. Okay, yes, and complete this table based on my class and as well as from your observation also. Yes, and as well as one more thing is given in our textbook. One more thing is also given. Some substance are contained about odor changes also. Yes, odor changes also. Yes. Suppose you take HCl, it is a contain somewhat smell it will be given. That it will be may converted into the what somewhat a bad smell. When it is it is a what bad smell. Suppose you take H2SO4, it will be gives the decomposition of eggs. Okay, now when there is a eggs are under decomposition, that color may that odor may get from for that H2SO4. Okay, now yes. Like that odor also gives the what actually yes recognition of our acids and as well as the bases. Okay, yes, this is only about our acids and as well as the bases, how to recognize acids and as well as the bases. And next These are called actually what? This when there is a what it will be takes. Based on a model, it will be called olfactory solution, olfactory indicators. It's a very important. All the students, which one is called olfactory indicators? Okay, now that is what which is recognized by odor of acids or bases. It is only called what? Olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicator. Okay, this is today's class, students. Tomorrow we'll go with our acids and bases, how to recognize acids and bases, and somewhat chemical properties. Next, lot of activities are there. Every activity to do are not possible here, but possible activities compulsory. How to go with that possible activities? Yes, and go with our video classes. Recording classes. In that one, we have that all experiment basis, how to do that experiment and what will we get in that experiment. That all the things are there. Okay, yes, I will send you that all the things to that our app. Okay, please observe that all the things. If I am not performing an activity, I am given in a form of visual format. Go with that. Thank you, students. Bye. Take. Olfactory indicators are nothing but which are recognized by the odors. Okay, now odors. Okay, bad smell may get for us because of acids. You know very well. When you take HCl, it will be somewhat bad smell is given when it is on the floor, and as well as H2SO4. Already I have given that information to you. Yes, H2SO4 is a given somewhat. Which one, Nana? Decomposition. Kullina kodukutla vasana. Okay, na? Decomposed eggs smell may get for us. That is only. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go with the remaining things. Bye. Take care.